Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Samsung 860 EVO M.2 drive. Now, this is the SATA variant, so this isn't the NVMe variant. So you got to be really careful when choosing your drives, but this is definitely a SATA variant, not an NVMe variant. So just keep that in mind. That's the 860 EVO SATA M2. Cool. So it is still an M2 drive, it's just the SATA variant. Very confusing. All right, so it comes in the plastic shell like that. There's the actual drive itself. So one of the things you'll notice with SATA variants is that it's got the two cutouts there instead of one. And that's generally the way that you would be able to tell the difference between NVMe drives. So this one here is a 250 gigabyte model, just so you're aware. Now, also, actually, there looks like some instructions underneath. It pushes out like that. Cool. So you can just push it out from behind or pull it out there with the recesses. But there's a little installation guide, different languages and so forth inside. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much all that's in the box. I guess an interesting thing is they come with a 5-year limited warranty, which covers you against, you know, if there's any issues in the manufacturing process. It's not going to cover it if you overvolted or anything like that. Unfortunately, yeah, you just got to suffer those consequences. But with a 5-year limited warranty, that's a pretty good deal. And the Samsung products have always been really good to me. I've enjoyed them, yeah, immensely, and never had any real problems with them. Never had any failures, actually, to be honest. And I've still got the original M2s from back in 2015. And yeah, those Samsungs are still going strong. I still haven't reached the rights and all that sort of thing on that. So yeah, it's awesome. Anyway, this has been the Samsung 860 EVO SATA M2 unboxing. I'll throw some links down in the description below to other NVMe drives, as well as, actually this is the only SATA one that I've ever unboxed or used. So yeah, anyway, subscribe over on the TechWizTime channel if you can, that'd be great. Like and share this video as well, that it would be awesome. And as always, yeah, thanks guys. We'll see you next time.